Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rajesh Zavle, Assistant Professor, DG College of Commerce, Satara. Dear students, today we will be discussing about our next topic, and that is digital marketing. As you know that digital marketing is very important in today's era. In the business world, in the commercial world, marketing plays very important role. And if the marketing is in the form of digital or using these various internet sources, then the social media sites, etc., then that marketing becomes very convenient for the customers and even the seller and the company, etc. So if you see this picture, you will understand that there are many aspects which are involved in the concept of digital marketing. Digital marketing concept is very broad concept. It is related to social media, SEO, video, mobile and tablet, then this SEM, pay per click, then content and etc. So pay per click is also very important. So all these concepts we are going to study in this particular lecture. So if we are discussing about digital marketing, any marketing that uses electronic device to convey promotional messaging and measures its impact. So here we need to understand that in digital marketing there is use of electronic devices, and this use is to convey messages. So that kind of messages or those kind of messages will be for the promotional purpose. Yes, so definitely there will be impact of this method. In practice, digital marketing refers to marketing campaigns that appear on a computer, phone, tablet, or other devices. So here it is very important to understand that here see, we are talking about electronic devices. So this digital marketing is there. So these devices are like computer, phone, tablet, and there are other devices also. So it take many forms. Yes, social media sites are also there. Social media posts are there. So if we talk about digital marketing, it is often compared to traditional marketing such as magazine ads, billboards, and direct mail. So here even television will be there because ads are there, no? So television is usually lumped in with traditional marketing. Now we'll talk about precisely what is digital marketing. So digital marketing is also called online marketing. What is this online marketing? So you know that today what we do today, we purchase goods from Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho app. So all these are in the form of online market or online trading or online marketing. So this is very important thing. So online marketing, this is important thing. So online marketing is the promotion of brands to connect with potential consumers or the customers using the internet and other form of digital communication. So this is one method of communication, communicating their products, the essentials or the use of that product, and how much that product will be beneficial for the customers. So here is no doubt, here is convincing or the seller or the company, yes, in the marketplace what they are doing, they are conveying their advantages of goods and the materials to the customers. This includes not only email but also social media, even web based advertising we can call it as. but also text and multimedia messages are also there. Text and multi messages or multimedia messages. So if the marketing campaign involves digital communication, it's a digital marketing. So this is very important thing. What is this? So digital marketing, it involves digital communication. So if we are talking about marketing, this is marketing. So marketing and communication, this is very important. Okay. So see, so here we can see that in digital marketing we use digital channels to reach consumers. So Facebook is there. So Facebook we can see here. Then there are YouTube, this Wi-Fi is there, tablets, Twitter is here, Instagram, and etc. So see, all these are the channels through which we can communicate to our customer or consumer. So this is nothing but the digital marketing. Now we'll talk about very important aspect of this digital marketing, and that is inbound marketing. So there are two types, inbound marketing and digital marketing. So here digital marketing and inbound marketing are, there may be confusion in these two marketing, but we need to understand each and every concept properly. So here we can say that in digital marketing, your use of many of the tools, inbound marketing. So in this particular, email and online contents are there, to name a few. So there are many, but email and the online contents they may use in inbound marketing. Both exist to capture the attention of prospects through the buyer's journey and turn them into customers. But the two approaches are there in the relationship between the tool and the goal. So you can see this picture very well. Here in inbound marketing and digital marketing. Okay, so here you can see, here is inbound marketing and here is digital marketing. So now we have to see the difference between digital marketing and inbound marketing. So we can say that digital marketing and inbound marketing, these are two types, and there are some differences between two. Digital marketing considers how each individual tool can convert prospects. A brand's digital marketing strategy may be used multiple platforms or focus all of its efforts on one platform. So here we can say, so see, digital marketing and inbound marketing. So first, if we are talking about this, digital marketing considers how each individual tool can convert prospects. So here is very important to the tool which they are using. A brand's digital marketing strategy may use multiple platforms. So here suppose if we are using WhatsApp, then it may be on the Instagram also. So it may be on the social media sites like Facebook and etc. Yes, so multiple platforms are there. Yes, through which they can communicate their products to the consumers or the customers. Yes, there may be multiple or many platform or one platform, but the object is same. Yes, now we'll see second aspect, and that is inbound marketing, second type. So inbound marketing is a holistic concept. It considers the goal first, then looks at the available tools to determine which will be effectively reach to, to the customer, or which will complete their target, and then at which stage of the sales funnel that should happen. So here there is this basic difference. In digital marketing, direct way is there to communicate with the customers, and here in inbound marketing, here is holistic approach, here is thought process. First they are talking about or thinking about the goals, and then they are trying to communicate with the customers. So here, as we were talking about inbound marketing, so in inbound marketing, you don't have to choose between the two. That means the digital or the inbound marketing. In fact, they work best together. If we use digital marketing as well as this inbound marketing, so both play a very important role in marketing. So here inbound marketing provides structure and purpose for effective digital marketing, for the digital marketing efforts, making sure that each digital marketing channel works towards a goal. So there should be a goal. Without goal there cannot be anything. So if we talk about this business world or the commercial world, so transaction should be specific, precisely they should frame their goals and their objective. If they are confirmed with their goals, so to achieve that goal they may communicate to their customer through these marketing channels. So this is very important thing. So today I hope that you have understood the concept of digital marketing. In the next lecture we will continue. Thank you one and all.